Alright guys, so as soon as you open up, you see that it's nicely wrapped with this fun bubble wrap right over here. Awesome. And we open it up and boom, Futurebit Apollo LTC. We're gonna get a lot of Litecoin with this thing. Oh yeah. So this thing is actually packaged quite nicely. On the box itself, it does say right over here, enabling the blockchain for everyone, which is essentially what the Futurebit Apollo Batch 2 is trying to do. So instead of all the farms being centralized to just a few people that can actually open up the farms in warehouses or different parts of the world, they want to decentralize it and make it available for the common person, just like me and you, to get a little piece of that action. So right over here, that's why they're saying enabling the blockchain era for everyone. The cool thing is they also have a quick start guide. So as you can see, it starts with a quick start guide right over here that tells you everything you need to set it up. And you guys will see how easy it will be to set it up. I have all the pieces right over here. I got actually the complete package, so I don't have to worry about burning anything onto this micro SD. It already has everything I need on there. Besides that, we will go into the miner itself, which is the Futurebit Apollo right over here. Wow, this thing is pretty nifty. That's the bottom right over here. And then it also came with a power supply. Like I said, I got the whole package. You don't have to, but I didn't want to worry about anything extra that I might be missing. That's pretty much it for the box. Alright, this thing is ready to go. It's actually really easy. You just put the SD card into its slot that has the OS already flashed on there. And then you take the power supply and put it into an outlet, connect it straight to the Futurebit, and it just starts right away. Once you see this light, it should be ready to go. And that fan is super quiet. Alright, time to connect it to a pool so we can get this thing making money for us. Alright guys, getting to the initial setup was the hardest part of this whole thing. I had to get an IP sniffer to get the IP address of the Futurebit and then put that address in to my browser. It's really not that hard, but kind of a pain in the ass. We have everything connected and this is the current hash rate. It tells the temperature, any errors, and miner uptime. Took a little bit to get everything going, but it looks pretty good right now. All right, we are up and running and making money as we speak. That was actually a really easy setup. It took about an hour just to figure out the software portion of it, but that's really dependent on how well you know technology. This is my review. If you like it, leave some comments. I'm gonna actually review the CoinMine 1 and see how this battles against it. I'll also give updates on how much this is actually making, return on investment, and things like that. All right, let's talk about crypto. Make some comments, follow, and like.